Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up finding deals with Mashvisor, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with finding deals using Mashvisor, first, navigate to the Mashvisor website. Create your free account by clicking the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Once your account is set up, log in to access the dashboard. Start by selecting the property search feature from the main menu. You will see various options for inputting your search criteria. Choose a location where you're interested in investing. Specify the property type that suits your investment strategy, such as single-family homes or multifamily units. Set your budget range to narrow down your options. Consider adding filters for metrics like cash-on-cash return or rental income. After configuring your search parameters, click the search button to view the results. Mashvisor will present a list of properties that meet your criteria. Take your time to browse the available listings and analyze their details. Click on individual property listings to get more in-depth information. Review key metrics, including Airbnb and traditional rental data. Examine neighborhood statistics to understand market trends and demand. Identify properties with the highest potential for profit based on the data. Use the Property Analytics tool for a comprehensive breakdown of potential returns. If you want to compare properties further, utilize the comparison feature. Once you have identified promising deals, save the listings for future reference. You can also export the data to include in your investment analysis. Finally, keep track of the properties over time to reassess and adjust your strategies. By following these steps, you can effectively use Mashvisor to find lucrative real estate deals. Stay informed about market trends and updates available directly on the platform. Leverage Mashvisor's resources to enhance your investment decision-making process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.